Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi, this is your girl Tara Love Diva, and today's video we are doing the last month till April. April, May, maybe, I'm not sure. I might just put it in the videos here and there. My last month of doing planner insert sticker via computer. Until I get some new stickers or stickers on hand, I will go back to doing my layouts. But right now, February right now is the last month of me doing the planner layouts. It will be in some of the videos when I do budgeting and all that great stuff. So with that being said, today I'm going to show you the layout from the 6th to the 12th, from the 13th to the 16th, 17th, one of them 2 days. Excuse me. And then next week when I decide I have time, I will do the last week of the month. And that'll be the last video of the planner layouts or flip throughs or decor, whatever. It's going to be the last for now. So I get some stickers. I need to get my sticker book together. But I will be doing embellishments. These little paper clips that goes, you know, paper holders. And I'm going to tell you about this in another video. So with that being said, if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. Do me a favor. Click the subscribe button, please. And then thumbs up the video. And turn on the bell notification. Now, I get a lot of people who has Android. I mean, not Android, the iPhone. Well, I log on, but sometimes it doesn't log on to my YouTube. Okay, put Google on your iPhone, and then log in through Google to watch videos to give people the credit that they deserve. I mean, I love when people watching, but it's not showing that you're watching if you're not signed in, I think. So with that being said, I'm going to put my overhead up so we can do the flip through, and then we're going to make the long story short, because it is now 9:30 a.m. and I got some clients and I have to finish up some more client stuff. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Stay tuned. Coming up next are my dividers for my MM planner. then you have the February I honor legends, music legends. So this was dedicated to music legends for Black history. So this is the week of the 6th through the 12th, and I decided to use this layout. So on here, my daughter's birthday, important day, like very busy Mondays, post office run, and other stuff I didn't jot down because I don't need y'all seeing everything on my calendar. Then you have laundry day. Then you have happy birthday to my son. He's turning 35 tomorrow. And then, so back what I was saying, we have laundry day. My son turning 35 tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Then I didn't put in anything else here because it's really on my daily schedule. Bills. It's mostly all of my subscriptions that I pay on this day every month. Then I have another post office run because I have planners I have to get out. And then we have this section. I didn't write anything down personal because I'm showing you all my layout. And then we have laundry day. I do laundry twice a week because I like to wash my sheets. Even though I have a lot of sheets, but I don't like to have a pile up of clothes. So I wash my sheets and rags and towels as I use them. Then we have the week of Valentine's Day. I did Minnie and Mickey because I couldn't think of anything else to do. So I did Minnie and Mickey. So we have the 13th, 14th, or the 13th all the way to the 19th. So on Monday, once again, is a busy, important day for me because it's cram time with YouTube and stuff. Then we have hosting. I'm hosting that day. Then important is on the Wednesday. I have an important days. I have stuff going on here. That's why I haven't written it down because I'm showing you all. Then Thursday, I'm hosting another event via Zoom. And I just thought the Mickey and Minnie was so cute. I have not done anything with Mickey and Minnie in so long. I probably could show you a picture of my son's room, my first son who's turning 35. His whole wall was Mickey Mouse. Not Mickey and Minnie, it was just Mickey Mouse. It was so cute. It was red and white, and literally so cute over his crib, the wall where his crib was on. So with that being said, that's pretty much the layout for this month. This here, a client wanted to buy this, so I printed it out, but I have to reprint it because I have to take off my stuff. I just realized my stuff is on here, so she just wanted me to print her out that piece here, so I have to do that over. So with that being said, this was the week of the 6th through the 19th, 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna do Mardi Gras week. I skipped the first because I didn't do much on the first because I was super duper busy, so I didn't do anything the first week of February. It happens. The beginning 2 months of the year, it's always a busy month for me between YouTube YouTube stuff and a lot of business stuff. I got planners out, I have handbags out, I do eyelashes, I make wigs. I have a lot going on. So somebody asked me, was I going to do embellishments for this planner? I will. I was just testing out some stuff here. She's supposed to be like this and stuff, but I want to do it totally different. So that'll be a whole different video coming up soon. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is your girl, Tara Love Diva. more client stuff. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. Stay tuned. Coming up next are my dividers for my MM planner.